Ji, Assalamu alaikum and good morning, nursery class. I hope that you all are doing well and you all are doing your work, nursery class. You are staying home, keeping yourself warm, nursery. So let's start your maths work, nursery class. Quickly open your maths book, nursery class workbook, and kindly open page number 7979. You can see my finger 7979. Okay, nursery class. And as usual, write down the date on the top of the page, nursery. Today date is 1/5/15 dash 1 dash 20, sorry, 21/21. What happened with the teacher? And write down classwork in the center of the page. Okay, nursery class. Now what we have to do, nursery class? They are saying us what comes after. I think they are thinking that we get confused by their page, but they don't know that how intelligent we are. Am I right, nursery? Yes. So, nursery class, in somewhere they have given us the spelling, and somewhere they have given us a number. And I think we are master of it, that what comes after. Nursery class, can you please read the spelling? Which is the spelling of this? ONE1. Again, ONE1. And can you please tell me that what comes after 1? Quickly, quickly, everyone. Yes, 2. So, nursery class, they have write the spelling. So, we also answered them in a spelling. So, can you please tell me that what is the spelling of 2, nursery class? G, quickly. Yes, TWO2. So, write down here, nursery class, TWO2. And write down in a very neat and clean way. Okay, nursery class, move to the next box. We have done this box. G, come to the next. G, nursery class, which is the number? This is 1616. 1616. So what comes after 1616, nursery class? G, 1717. Again, 1717. So write down 1717 in the next box. Come to the next block, nursery class. Put a finger over here. Which is this number, nursery class? This is 2020. Again, tell me, all of you. 2020. So, nursery class, can you please tell me that what comes after 2020? Read the counting. Yes, 2020, and then 2121. Again, 2121. Write down over here, 2121. And which is this number, nursery class? This is read the spellings. FIVE5. Again, FIVE5. So, nursery class, can you please tell me that what comes after 5? Yes, 6. What comes after 5? 6. And what is the spelling of 6, nursery class? SIX. 6. SIX. SIX. So move to the next box, nursery class. Oh my god, my favorite number. 10. 10. And what comes after 10, nursery class? Yes, 11. 11. So write down here, nursery class, 11. We have done this line, nursery class. Come to the next box, nursery class. Which is this number? 2525. 2525. So, nursery class, which number comes after 2525, nursery? 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26. Again. 2, 6, 26. Got it, nursery? You are doing very well, nursery class. Please don't ask your mama. You can do the work with your teacher, nursery class. Focus on the video and do the work with me. G nursery class, which is this number? THR-E-E-3. THR-E-E-3. So nursery class, which number comes after 3? 4. Which number comes after 3? 4. And what is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. So write down here the spellings of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Got it, nursery class? I think you know very well the spellings. So nursery class, put the finger in the next box, nursery. Read the spelling. Which number is this? N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. Again. N-I-N-E 9. So which number comes after 9, nursery class? G, 10. My favorite number. Once again. So nursery class, what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. So write down here, nursery class, T-E-N 10. Excellent. Now nursery class, move to the next box, nursery, which is the number 4040. 4040. Okay, my nursery class. So which number comes after 4040? It's 4141. 4141. Again, 4141. So write down here 4141. So put the finger in the next box and read the spellings. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. And which number comes after 7, nursery class? Quickly. G, 8. Which number comes after 7? 8. And what is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Okay, nursery? So, nursery class, turn off the new thing, nursery class. We have done this portion. Now come to the next portion. Oh my god, lots of cloud. You like clouds, nursery class? Yes, I love it. And can you please tell me what is the color of the cloud? G, blue. And when the rain come, cloud bring it. Cloud bring rain, nursery. You love rain? Your teacher love the rain. Actually, your teacher love everything, nursery. You know that? G, put the finger in the first cloud. G, which is this number? This is number 5. Which is this number? Number 5. So, nursery class, think intelligently that which number comes before 5? Which number comes before 5? Think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number comes before 5? G, 4. Write down over here 4. G, nursery class, move to the next cloud. G, this is the next cloud, nursery class, and here is the spelling, nursery class. Read the spellings. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. So nursery class, which number comes before 6, nursery class? G, 5. Which number comes before 6? 5. And what is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. So write down here FIVE5. Done it, nursery? I again repeat FIVE5. So nursery class, move to the next cloud. G nursery class, this is TEN10. Again TEN10. So nursery class, what comes before 10? What comes before 10? It's 9. What comes before 10? 9. And what is the spelling of 9, nursery class? NINE. 9. Done it? Move to the next cloud, nursery class. Which is the number? 15. 15. And what comes before 15, nursery class? G. 14. 14. So write down here 14. Move to the next cloud, nursery class. This is 1 to 12. 1 to 12. And which number comes before 1 to 12? Quickly think. 10, 10, 11, 11, and 1 to 12. So which number comes before 1 to 12? Quickly. G. 11. Got it, my nursery? Excellent. You are doing a good work. Now read the spelling. FOUR4. FOUR4. And which number comes before 4? It's very simple, nursery class. 3. Which number comes before 4? 3. And what is the spelling of 3, nursery class? THREE3. THREE3. Write down here THREE3. Okay, nursery? Now come to the next cloud. Oh my God, it's 21, 21. 21, 21. So which number comes before 21, 21? G. It's 20, 20. 20, 20. So write down here, nursery class. 20, 20. Okay, my nursery? Read the spelling. EIGHT8. EIGHT8. And which number comes before 8, nursery class? 7. Which number comes before 8? 7. SEVEN. 7. SEVEN. So nursery class is 4, 5, 45. 4, 5, 45. And which number comes before 4, 5, 45? It's 4, 4, 44. Again 4, 4, 44. Shukar Alhamdulillah, nursery class. We have done page number 79. Now turn the next page, nursery. Your teacher have opened the page number 8080. Wow, I think it's a very nice page. Yes, I think it's same that we have done before. Okay, it's also the same that what comes after and what comes before. And no, I know that you know the counting very well, mashallah. So it will be very easy for you to complete this page. Okay, nursery class, what they are saying to us, fill in the blanks with pink color pencil. Oh my God, that we have to choose the pink color, nursery class. Wait, I will bring it. See, I have bring the pink color pencil, nursery class. And they are saying us to fill in the blanks with the pink color pencil. So what is this? 1. So what comes after 1? 2. Now they have given us 3. What comes after 3, nursery class? 4. What is this? 5. What comes after 5? 6. Nursery class, please don't take help from your mama. Your teacher is doing for you, okay? And she is doing each and every step for you. So kindly follow your teacher. So what is this? 7. What comes after 7? 8. What is this? 9. So what comes after 9? 1, 0, 10. What is this? 1, 1, 11. So what comes after 1, 1, 11? 1, 2, 12. What is this? 1, 3, 13. And what comes after 1, 3, 13? 1, 4, 14. What is this? 1, 5, 15. So what comes after 1, 5, 15? 1, 6, 16. What is this? 1, 7, 17. So what comes after 1, 7, 17? 1, 8, 18. What is this? 1, 9, 19. And what comes after 1, 9, 19? 2, 0, 20. So come to the next number, nursery class. This is 2, 1, 21. And what comes after 2, 1, 21? 2, 2, 22. Okay, nursery. What is this? 2, 3, 23. And what comes after 2, 3, 23? 2, 4, 24. Okay, what is this? 2, 5, 25. And what comes after 2, 5, 25? 2, 6, 26. What is this? 2, 7, 27. What comes after 2, 7, 27? 2, 8, 28. What is this? 2, 9, 29. And what comes after 2, 9, 29, nursery class? 3, 0, 30. So nursery class, what is this? 3, 1, 31. Again 3, 1, 31. And what comes after 3, 1, 31? 3, 2, 32. This is 3, 3, 33. What comes after 3, 3, 33? 3, 4, 34. What is this? 3, 5, 35. And which number comes after 3, 5, 35? 3, 6, 36. What is this? 3, 7, 37. And which number comes after 3, 7, 37? 3, 8, 38. Which is this? 3, 9, 39. And which numbers comes here? 4, 0, 40. Got it, my sweet nursery? Come to the last line. This is 4, 1, 41. And which number comes after 4, 1, 41? 4, 2, 42. Which is this number? 4, 3, 43. Then 4, 4, 44. Then 4, 5, 45. Which number comes after 4, 5, 45? 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. Which number comes after 4, 7, 47? 4, 8, 48. Then 4, 9, 49. Which number comes after 4, 9, 49? 5, 0, 50. Oh my god, I have done my counting. See, you also have to do it with the pink pencil. And they are saying that these are even numbers. We will discuss after that, okay, when you come to the school, inshallah. Now come to the next box. They are saying fill in the blank with the blue color pencil. Oh, now we have to take out the blue color. Quickly, nursery, take it. See, I got it, nursery class. Now this is, what is the color of the pencil? This is blue color. So nursery class, come to that box. Which is the number? Yes, this is number 2. So nursery class, what comes before 2? Yes, 1. So write down here 1. 1, 2. So what comes after 2? 3. So here is 4. What comes after 4, nursery class? 5. So here is 6. What comes after 6, nursery class? 7. Which is this number? 8. And what comes after 8, nursery class? 9. And again, my favorite number, I will give him a star. This is 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Come to the next line. Now here it is 1 to 12. Which is this number? 1 to 12. So nursery class, what comes before 1 to 12? G. 1, 1, 11. So this is 1, 1, 11. And what comes after 1, 1, 11? 1 to 12. And what comes after 1 to 12? It's 1, 3, 13. Then 1, 4, 14. Then what comes after 1, 4, 14, nursery class? It's 1, 5, 15. Then they have given us 1, 6, 16. What comes after 1, 6, 16? 1, 7, 17. Then they have given us 1, 8, 18. Then what comes after 1, 8, 18? 1, 9, 19. Then 2, 0, 20. Come to this block, nursery class. What comes before 2 to 22? G. 2, 1, 21. Then 2, 2, 22. Then 2, 3, 23. Then they have given us 2, 4, 24. Then what comes after 2, 4, 24? G. 2, 5, 25. Then which number comes after 2, 5, 25? 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26. So write down here, nursery class. Sorry, so what comes after 2, 6, 26? It's 2, 7, 27. Then which is this number? 2, 8, 28. And which number comes after 2, 8, 28? G. 2, 9, 29. Then 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. Come to the next line, nursery class. Now they have given us 3 to 32. 3 to 32. Which number comes before 3 to 32? It's 3, 1, 31. 3 to 32. And which number comes after 3 to 32? It's 3, 3, 33. Then what comes number come after 3, 3, 33? 3, 4, 34. And which is the next number? 3, 5, 35. Then they have given us 3, 6, 36. And which number comes after 3, 6, 36? It's 3, 7, 37. Okay, nursery class. And which number comes after 3, 7, 37? It's 3, 8, 38. And which number comes after 3, 8, 38? It's 3, 9, 39. And which number comes after 3, 9, 39? It's 4, 0, 40. Again, 4, 0, 40. Come to the last line, nursery class. And which number comes before 4 to 42? G, nursery class. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. Which number comes after 4 to 42? G. 4, 3, 43. Then they given us 4, 4, 44. And which number comes after 4, 4, 44? It's 4, 5, 45. Then they have given us 4, 6, 46. Then which number comes here? 4, 7, 47. Then 4, 8, 48. And which number will come here? 4, 9, 49. And which is the last number? It's 5, 0, 50. Again, 5, 0, 50. So nursery class, we have done this page also, nursery class. And now nursery class, I think that you are thinking that our book is get finished. No, nursery class, in the next classes we will do the page that we left. Okay, nursery class, we will do our leftover pages in the next classes. Now come to the copy work. So hello nursery class. Before starting our work, I think why don't we do a small story with the teacher? And you can see what is this? This is an elephant. This is an elephant. This is a car. And this is an old man nursery class. Okay. And we have 3 characters in our story. Okay nursery class, you want to join me in the story? Gee, let's come on nursery. You will enjoy. So one day in a jungle, an elephant was walking and walking, and you can see nursery class, he is moving straight. There was a truck and there was no way. So the elephant think, why don't I move backward? So elephant again try to move backward. See nursery class, the elephant is moving backward. He say, and he stop. He think maybe the truck has gone. Why don't I move again straight? And the elephant is moving straight. Trom, 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 trom. Oops! Again a truck. So he has no way out. So he again moving backward. Okay, nursery class? Backward, 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 backward. Okay, nursery class? The elephant is moving backward. Okay. Then the carman think, why I'm here? Why don't I move? So he tried to move. Then the driver start the car and now he is moving straight. Oops! The same old man nursery class. He stopped his car so the old man don't get hurt. So the car again moved backward. Backward, 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 backward. He think the same again. I think the old man has gone to the way. Then he again moves straight. Oops! The same old man. Oh, and what he's doing? He think, no, this is not the way. Then why don't I move backward? Then the elephant again moved backward. No, backward, 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 backward. Uh-oh. Then the nursery, the old man think that why I am standing over here? Why don't I move in the jungle and do watch more animals? So the old man start walking. He's walking straight. Straight, 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 straight. Uh-oh. Now there is a big hurdle. It's the same elephant nursery class. I think he's get tired of walking. That's why he's standing. Now the old man think, what will I do? So he again walk backward. Backward, 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 backward. He thought that might be the elephant has gone. So he again walks straight. Straight, 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 straight. Uh-oh. Again elephant. Now the old man thinks it's better to move backward. So the old man start moving backward. Backward, 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 backward. Uh-oh. Now the 3 man peoples are standing in the different position nursery class. So what they think? Now 3 of them becomes friend. An elephant, a car, driver and the old man. They become friends and they decide to move straight. They are moving straight. See nursery class, straight, 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 straight. Stop. But how come we know that how to move backward, nursery class? Quickly now you tell me. Please, elephant, the car and the old man, please move backward for us, because today we have to learn the backward counting, nursery. So please tell us how to move backward. Please move backward, three of them. So backward, 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 backward. Thank you so very much. I love you. Okay. So nursery class is the story I told you that you know the idea of how to move backward and how to move straight. See nursery class, I am going to write the counting over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now nursery class, I ordered these numbers to move backward. Okay nursery class, this is the straight counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I ordered these numbers to move backward. How they move backward? Read the counting with me. 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So nursery class, we move backward. You want again to move backward, nursery class? Please do it with me. 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nursery class. This is a straight counting, nursery class. And this is the backward counting. We are moving from the back. Now nursery class, what you have to do, you have to send me one video of yourself. Suppose this is you. This is not the old man. This is Ayan Mughal. Maybe this is Ayman. Maybe this is Amna. Maybe this is Faria. Okay. Whoever. Maybe this is Fiza Fizan. Okay nursery. Then what you have to do, you have to make a video in which you will move straight and count straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Okay nursery. Now the Ayan Mughal will move backward and Mama will make a movie in which Ayan Mughal will say, this is Ayan Mughal, nursery class. Okay. Or maybe Fiza Fizan, maybe Ayman, maybe Faria, maybe Amina, whoever, okay? And then I will give you a marks who done a good movie, okay? Then this is 1, 0, 10. He will say 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh my God, all of them are tired and fell down. Okay, nursery class? Do send me the video in which you move straight and then you move backward from 1, 0, 10 to 1. Okay, nursery class? I will wait. I want to see your faces and your video, that how you will count. Okay, nursery? Now open your copies and we will do the work together. So nursery class, on the top of the page, write down date. Today date is 1/5/15-1-21/21 and write down classwork in the middle of the page. Okay, nursery class? And here you write backward counting. And nursery class, today we are going to do the backward counting from 1, 0, 10 to 0. Okay. So nursery class, Can you please tell me which number comes first? It's 1 0 10. 1 0 10. Then which number comes before? 9. Then leave one block and write down 8. Then leave one block, then write down 7. Then 6. Then 5. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 1. And then 0. So it's very simple, nursery class. In the first class, I just want to give you the idea that how you will do the backward counting. Okay, in the next class, we will move to the next number. So read with me: 1 0 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, now I think close your eyes, nursery class, and read one more time like me: 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Clap for me, nursery class. I am too fast for you. My camera is moving. That's why, just because I'm clapping for myself. Okay, nursery class. So your classwork is very simple, nursery class. As usual, as I always tell you, that you have to do one page in the classwork and 2 page in the homework. One page in the classwork and 2 pages in the homework. This is your classwork, and in the homework I will tell you what you have to do. Nursery class, this is your one page of homework. You have to write down our date and backward counting 10 to 0. And do the same counting as you do in the classwork like this. Okay, I will again show you. Okay, you will do one page of this in homework and one page of spellings. Spellings from 0 to 10. Okay, nursery class, and you will do the spelling like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In nursery class, you, as usual, you will draw the object in front of the number 0. So we will draw no object. In front of the 1, you will draw one apple, nursery class. Make 5. Then stem and then another curve 1. Then here draw 2 apples, nursery class, and also color these apples. Color beautifully, nursery class. This is your homework. Okay, nursery class. And the video is your Friday activity. Okay. 3. You will draw 3 apples. Okay, nursery class. See, nursery class, I have done the apples in front of the number. This is 10, so I have draw 10 apples. 9, I have drawn 9 apples. 8, I have drawn 8 apples. You can draw any object that you want like to draw, that is easy for you. Okay, nursery class, I hope that you have learned enough and it will be easy work for you. Okay, nursery class, so enjoy your weekend, have a nice day, and again stay blessed, stay safe and stay in home. Okay, nursery class, lots of love from your teacher. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.